Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's me, Jerremy Newsome with Real Life Trading. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. It is Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. A lot of stuff to talk about. A lot of things to chat about. Chatting and talking, kind of the same thing. Here's the SPY. Good grief, ladies and gentlemen. Here's all I'm going to say about the SPY today. I'm just going to break it down and make it real simple and real easy for everyone who might be watching this particular stock review. If you did not make money today in either futures, options, stocks, IRAs, long-term or short-term, if you're unfamiliar with this gap and you do not know how to play it, nor if you lost money today on the SPY and you're upset about it, contact me. No other person on the entire internet will do this. Here's my cell phone number, 352-246-4596. Text me or call me tonight. Let's schedule a coaching session for sometime in September or October, and let's talk about it. Because today was an amazing day. A lot of traders made money. Boop, 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 boop. There's some testimonials. It's really exciting. It's amazing. We made a new all-time high. Just a phenomenal gap. It was gorgeous. Again, if you do not know how to play these type of gaps or it's just kind of unclear to you, let's work together and let's make magic. SPY, new all-time highs, looking real good. Apple. So we had a weekly options newsletter trade on Apple today, and based on the gap about an hour before market open, we decided to cancel that trade. That was a good thing because Apple just started screaming higher. So Mr. Jackson, congratulations on your trade. You bought some calls on Friday. Jesse, good job. Daily chart looks good. A lot of new white soldier retest gaps all across the board. It's going to be interesting to see exactly what plays out. Tesla, ladies and gentlemen, is so bullish. It's not even funny with this gap. I mean, look at this. Oh, geez. Today was one of the best days I've had all year. Money printing machine is my nickname today. Volume coming in. Beautiful gap. We'll probably retest. Tomorrow, we probably pull back a little bit, potentially, or gap up and trade down. But again, if you just didn't kill it today, please message me. Today was such an easy day for the bulls all across the board. It was just beautiful and majestic. I love this volume. I love this gap on Tesla. Tesla will probably be at the end of we'll be at 400 by the end of the year. Daily looks really good. Everything looks really good. Had a request for MTZ. So here's MTZ, and let's look at this particular stock on the weekly chart. I don't know what this stock does. Let me just look at it really quick. Big picture. We made a new all-time high recently, I'm pretty sure, unless it's a 2000 stock. Yep, it is. All right, so we made a not an all-time high, but there's a little bit of resistance up here about the $60 mark. So looking at this particular stock, we have a resistance here at 43.58. We traded down to the 50 on the weekly, so that's just a healthy, nice little pullback. Here's the daily chart, and nice little retest gap today. Here's the long-term moving averages. We are below the 200. Okay. So we closed above the 200 just a few days ago, right about there, and we broke back through. So my thought at this point with this retest gap is let it close above the 200 again, and then based on that, look to buy the retest, because that's pretty much what happened last time, and just look to be bullish to neutral on MTZ. Short term, I don't see anything majestic. Long term, it was a good pullback to the 50 EMA, which could provide some good support resistance. There will be a little bit of a battle here for a while as some volume did increase pretty nicely. And good resistance. Again, we'll see what she does. MTZ making magic. Shout outs to my good buddy Troy and also my friend Albert, who crushed some Equifax. Don't get me started on the whole credit industry right now. That's another time for another place. But this was a very, very nice bearish gap and go on Friday. I watched it all day Friday. My good buddy Scott Isolde over there in California made some, his first trade was a good profitable trade on Equifax. And as of right now, it traded into a pretty good target. So here's Albert with his testimony. Al, great trade, my man. Well done. Keep it up. Troy, your bear call spread looks fine. This was one that investors were just mad and upset. They were furious that what happened on Equifax happened. My stance is pretty simple. You know, if you don't pay one credit card bill over 6 years and you try to get a house, the credit reporting agency is like, well, you should be more responsible. But when their entire database gets hacked and they lose like 22 million social security numbers and date of birth is like, well, you know, stuff happens. That's kind of their approach. Sorry, not much we're going to do about it. So overall, we're probably going to pull back a little bit farther on EFX. Don't bet the farm on it yet because it's kind of at a little bit of a support right now. Yes, it could go lower. Here's the support. It is a strong dividend-paying, very large company. Next stop, if anything, is the 200 simple on the weekly. And yes, it's a buy the dip. Long-term, short-term, though, I wouldn't be bullish on it right now unless I had a 10-foot pole, whatever that means. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all the stock requests that I got. Remember, you can request stocks. I do it for free. Just simply post in the comment section below. Next stock review will be Wednesday. And again, take me up on that coaching offer. If you did not make an insane amount of money today, please let me know why, and let's figure it out together. You guys rock. And until Wednesday, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.